I don't know how you got to this page, and it doesn't really matter. I'm just eternally grateful that you got here. I've been journaling for 35 years plus, or writing down in notebooks, and I've always been writing down, gratitude, because that's what we've been taught. But the gratitude I've always been writing down was cognitive. So it was something I thought about that I wrote down. And then very recently, I discovered emotional gratitude. And that has changed my entire outlook, not only on journaling, but also on life in general, on my future. Because emotional gratitude leads to kindness. And as soon as you're in that state, suddenly your life changes and you look at your future differently. So, because of my experience, and it's only my experience, I've developed a framework, a 3-book series. The first one is a 21-day, I want to say a course that teaches you how to journal, but from my perspective and from my experience, obviously including emotional gratitude. The second one is just write your future. It's what you've learned through that 21 days. And it's a 31-day journal, but it's a framework, a consistent framework that you can write in every day or every other day, based solely on emotional gratitude, kindness, your future, and so forth. And then the final book is ramblings or unstructured writing, which means it gives you the freedom after experiencing the course, then using the framework for 31 days on your own. Then you have the freedom to literally write whatever you want. And it has changed my life. It's changed the way I view people. It's brought a kindness to me, to myself, but it's also allowed me to look at other people in a different way altogether. Thank you for just watching this video, and I hope I see you on this journey.